सच तो ये है मेरे दोस्त that sneakers do get dirty and they get creased too. But luckily, I have got my hands on the SHOEGR Ultimate Kit and the SHOEGR Crease Defender 2. But ये है क्या? तो देखते हैं what do we get in this. At first we have the sneaker cleaning solution. On next we have the microfiber towel. And the best part is it has 3 different brushes, which is soft, medium and hard. And now to the creases. These are pretty lightweight, nice. अच्छा तो ये simply sneakers में insert करना है and ये हो गया. हाँ यार चीज़ तो सही है, bend करके देखते हैं. Damn, I like it. अगर आपको ये fit नहीं हो रहा, you can also cut it as per your size. So at first we would pump 2 to 3 squirts of the sneaker cleaning solution. After the solution is there inside the water, we need to have a soft bristle brush and with that said, we go to the medium bristle brush for the midsole. Here comes the last part where you take the hard brush and dip it inside the solution and you scrub. After a wash, all you need is the SHOEGR microfiber cloth. You just dry it out, and here we have the brand new sneaker in hand, quite literally. Guys, just look at the difference. I would highly recommend SHOEGR for your shoe care.